If you're experiencing app crashing issues on Atom Bank, follow these straightforward steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem. Step 1. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Turn off your device completely and then turn it back on to refresh the system. Step 2. Update the app. Ensure that you have the latest version of the Atom Bank app. Go to your device's App Store, check for updates, and install any available updates to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 3. Clear app cache. Clearing the app cache can help eliminate corrupted data that may be causing crashes. Go to your device settings, find the Atom Bank app, and select the option to clear cache. Step 4. Reinstall the app. If the app continues to crash, uninstall it from your device and then reinstall it from the App Store. This can resolve deeper issues by resetting the app to its original state. Step 5. Contact customer support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Atom Bank's customer support for assistance. They can provide specific troubleshooting based on your device and app version. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any crashing issues with the Atom Bank app. If problems persist, staying in touch with customer support is your best option for a solution.